Hey guys, so knee pain is unfortunately very common. If you have any type of ache or pain in your body, I can almost guarantee that improving mobility by using these massage therapy balls will help minimize, if not completely get rid of your pain. It is amazing. Mobility makes such a huge difference in the way your body functions. So if you have knee pain, you definitely should be rolling, uptown and downtown from the knee, whether it's the quadriceps, the shins, those areas. But those are pretty intuitive. Quadricep rolling is pretty intuitive, but it's important to also think about the inner thigh or the vastus medialis. So you can take one ball out of the toe. I actually really love the alpha size. This works really well for me. Come down on your side, take the ball underneath the knee, and you're going to push some weight into your top hand and just kind of zigzag up and down, and cross-fibering the muscle that runs from the knee to the hip. So just kind of back and forth, up and down. And that will actually really help to hydrate your tissues and help to get the things circulating, and that can really help repair whatever's happening